OpenAI's secret project. What you need to know about their humanoid robots. OpenAI just made a shocking move. So we all know that OpenAI is the king of artificial intelligence, right? There's no doubt about that. With ChatGPT and GPT-4, they have some of the most powerful AI tools available. But now, they might be working on something entirely different. A humanoid robot. Yep, you heard that right. OpenAI, the company well known for AI models and software, has secretly been discussing the launch of their own humanoid robot. And it's not just rumor. Multiple sources which have knowledge of the discussions have recently confirmed that OpenAI is considering this bold step. If this happens, it could complete the future of robotics, AI, and even the global economy. So what's going on? Let's break it down. The rise of OpenAI's robotics ambitions. Now, OpenAI didn't just get up one day and thought, hey, we don't have a robot. So you know what? Let's build a robot. In fact, they used to have a team centered on robotics years ago, but they demolished it. Why? OpenAI co-founder Ulya Sutskever later revealed that the problem was data. Back then, development in robotics needed large amounts of real-world data, and there wasn't an efficient way to gather it easily. Unlike AI, models that can train through text directly from the internet, robotics needed real-world experience, and that was a nightmare for them. But now, things have changed. With increased advancements, real-world data collection, and simulation environments, OpenAI can have a new path to look forward to, and that's why I believe that they are quietly reconsidering robotics. Follow the money, OpenAI's investment in robotics. If you want to know what OpenAI is up to, let's dive right in. They've been investing in some majorly advanced robotics companies. 1. Physical intelligence. OpenAI and Jeff Bezos invested in this company, which focused on fully autonomous robots that can do different difficult tasks. 2. Figure AI. This company is making humanoid robots, which are powered solely by OpenAI's technology. A demo from their company showed a humanoid robot having a conversation while doing tasks, like recognizing surroundings, picking up objects, and organizing dishes. No, we're not at the Terminator levels yet, but give it a bit more time. 1. X Robotics. OpenAI invested $100 million into this company, which is working on silent, human-like robots, with movements so smooth it is alarming. Does anyone get a little Westworld vibes? The pattern is clear. OpenAI is all in on robotics, whether through partnerships or building their own. The Figure AI demo, a glimpse into the future. One of the biggest signs that OpenAI is invested in humanoid robots was Figure AI's latest demo. In the demo, a humanoid robot recognized objects, spoke naturally, and even understood human requests with surprising accuracy. Then, the human asked for some food. The robot thought about the request, picked up the apple, and brought it over. Later, it cleaned the dishes and placed them in the drying rack, totally autonomously. This wasn't just pre-programmed movements. This was AI-powered decision-making in real time. We're not at the stage where humanoid robots want legal rights, but we are seeing them adapt and learn in ways we never thought were possible. If OpenAI truly designs their own humanoid robot, it could mark history as one of the most advancements of the decade. Final thoughts. Is OpenAI building a humanoid robot? So will OpenAI actually build their own humanoid robot? Right now, they're still in the discussion phase, but they are more focused on working than announcing to the public. But look at their progress. They have restarted their robotics team. They're investing in humanoid companies focused on robotics. Their AI models are already running some of the most popular and advanced AI robots. Even if OpenAI doesn't actually make the hardware, Their AI will likely power the next generation of AI robots, whether it's through one of X Robotics, Figure, or another partner. So what do you think? Will OpenAI make its own robot, or will they just power the AI instead? Let's talk about it in the comments. Here's the question for the day. Which is your favorite robot? Mine is a Mecha for sure. And if you want to know more about the humanoid revolution, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because the future is here faster than we can imagine.